And good day to our beneficiaries, guests, volunteers, and friends.
Hello everyone, I am Ate Marie. We are so excited to see all your smiling faces today. Welcome to our outreach program.
Today is not just an ordinary day.
It's a day filled with hope, love, and sharing.
Welcome everyone to our outreach, and thank you for being here.
We would like to call Ms. Jean Mador to opening our welcome party.
Hello everyone. Good morning po sa ating lahat. Bago po tayo mag-start sa ating mga activities, konting information lang po about po sa aming institution. Ako nga po pala si Ms. Judy Casidador, 13 years volunteer outreach association. Papakilala ko lang po sa inyo yung aming mga volunteer. Ito po si Ms. Jenna, Ms. Janet, and si Ms. Camille. Ako po yung aming admin, pero volunteer pa rin po siya. Maraming po salamat. Ang Asosasyon ng Damas ng Pilipinas po ay itinatag noong September 26, 1913 sa pamumuno po ni Dr. Honoria Acosta Sison. Kaya na September po, kami po ay nag-celebrate ng ika-112 taong anniversary na po. At patuloy pa rin po kami para po sa pagtulong sa aming mga bata. Sa ngayon po, ang hawak po namin bata ay nasa 80 po silang lahat. At sila ay nasa edad na 2 hanggang 14 na taon po lang. At sila po yung tinatawag namin community extension. Sila po ay may mga inuuwi at mga magulang. At sa paligid lang po ng dama sila nakatira. Yung iba po namin mga bata ay nakatira sa kanilang mga lolo at lola, tito at tita. Meron din po kami kasabi sa Indulgent Family. Dati naman po kami may mga batang nakatira dito at nasa edad naman na po sila para ma-transfer sa ibang orphan or institution. and daddies.
With a smile on my face, I know who I am and I can never be replaced. I'm a big, proud, big, different. Hey, that's what makes you one out of a million. Whoa, mama, say yeah. Don't you let them get you down. All you gotta let them love me. That's why I'm talking to the girl in the mirror. Whoa, even if you sound and get a whoa, 'cause every sentence is just a set of whoa. I'm just a little bit low. I'm talking to the neon. Girl in the mirror, girl in the
Gagayahin po natin ang Damas Kids. Sasayaw. Gayahin po natin PCS Kids. Ayan. Sige po.
PCS Kids at Damas Kids. Pwede na po natin ayusin yan. Tinatapos ko na yung wrapping up.
Thank you sa ating food at respect ko po ito dito sa ating partner at activity. Salamat sa lahat. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, kids, let's say thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, parents, kids. Sila po yung nag-sponsor ng ating pagsasaluhan ngayong tanghalian. And it's Jollibee. Okay, distribution na po tayo ng gifts. Pila po, kasama sa pila lang po, kasama po yung inyong partner para magiging po lahat ng bata. Tapos diretso po sa stage, may photo opportunity po ang lahat. Your support has brought hope, joy, and a brighter future to these young lives, reminding them that they are cherished and cared for. Your kindness means the world to us and inspires us to continue this mission of love and care. We hope that your unwavering generosity will continue to be a beacon of hope for these children, encouraging others to share their blessings as well. Thank you for making a difference in their lives. Thank you, February 8, 2026, from the President of Asociación de Damas de Filipinas, Miss Jessalyn Pan. Sige po.